Okay, this subject has to do with what are we doing? What can we do? What will it cost? Who will we work with to accomplish it? The RF series of questions. Request for information, request for quotation, request for tender, and request for proposal. Not only do these ask those questions, but guess what else? If your organization knows that another organization has started putting these things out, that means you have an idea about what they're getting ready to do. For example, if they put out a request for information, then that means they're looking on what sort of a step to take. They've not really decided, they're just checking. That tells you they might be moving in some particular direction. This request for quotation, that means that they've actually somewhat decided on something, but they want to start using standardized components. So if they were your competitor, you would now start seeing pings upon those people that might also supply you, because some suppliers supply multiple competitors. So you might hear things like that. When you hear that, guess what? You can start thinking, hey, maybe we need to talk to that supplier. Maybe they know something about what's going on. And then this request for tender, that means that they're throwing out to the winds. Okay, who will answer? Who can provide these specific suppliers what we need? Who will be able to provide what we think we need? And then the last one here, this request for proposal. Now that person or your company is serious. So here you go. This is probably close to the sequence. We start looking as to what we might want to do. Then we start looking as to how we can obtain standardized. Why do we want standardized? Standard items are cheaper, okay? Then we start looking at who specifically will be able to provide it, and then who can we partnership with to do it. So there you go. Your discussion this week addresses requests for proposal. Have fun.